Stank. Thanks. Awesome.
Let me get in here, Trevor.
What's up?
Before you blow something.
We done had one tearing fire today.
Yeah. Well, again,
He goes to reach back field.
One of the more reliable ones. The base is supposedly more reliable than the MDs.
What is this one?
That car is slick with that no wall.
You smell that? I need to smell a coil.
Yeah. It's a good smell.
24.
Just don't play real low.
Just don't what?
Play super low.
No.
What it looked like from where I was at.
Yo. Two cups.